Good morning, guys. I'll leave this on so you can see me. We're out like Silver Springs area, tons of fog, so gorgeous. And I just drove through some of the thickest fog I've ever seen. Then I got to my location and wouldn't you know it, no fog. Yeah, there you go. That about sums it up right there. But anyway, drove through that crazy thick fog, so heading back in that direction, see if we can find that. And there looked like some good trees. It was dark when I was driving through, but the light is just starting to peek up. Good morning, how you doing? Would you believe it, another foggy morning. I get to redeem myself from last time's photos, I think 2 weeks ago. Well, actually a week ago. I've been doing 2 videos a week. But a chance to redeem myself. The fog is super thick. We're over here in the Silver Springs area, just off of Forest Road. I drove over to my original spot and the fog was like super light, so I had driven through this, raced back here, and it's just thick with fog, so absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this behind me, it's awesome. So this is a forest road we're hitting. Just gonna explore in here and see what we can come away with. Absolutely blessed today. Let's go, guys. Guys, I had to get this foggy road shot. Absolutely gorgeous, just drifting out into nothingness. These straight pines and all the orange pine needles. It's just a really good shot. The fog is so thick, it's awesome. I'm zooming past this angled branch just to get everything kind of uniform. So when we came back to walk over here, I'm sure you can see the light behind me. Yeah, I'm about to hit that too. But that same tree from like across the way, we were able to get up on a hill, shoot down. So we get rid of pretty much all the sky. The fog looks beautiful. Straight pine trees everywhere. And then that beautiful red, I guess it's also a pine, isn't it? No, that's an oak, it looks like, yeah, zoomed in. So that oak's like falling over. Beautiful shot, deep in the fog. Let's see if it looks any good though. You tell me, you be the judge. Redemption. All right, let's go chase some of this light. Hopefully we can get some rays. That looked like a pretty cool shot. Hopefully it came out nice, but all right, let's head down this road and try to catch some of this light. Hopefully we can get some rays breaking through the woods, some foggy sun rays. Wouldn't that just be awesome if we were so lucky? So it looks like the clouds sucked in the light, bummer, but that will help the fog a little bit, so not bad. I think I'm gonna walk back to the car, do a little driving around, see if we can find any more thick patches, because I know there's some amazing trees around here. That's what I came for, so I'm gonna try to do a little more exploring, see what we can find. It's absolutely beautiful out today, though. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, let's do it. Absolutely beautiful, wow. What is this? Every little sneaky spot. Oh, that is cool. If I could only isolate it. Oh, I need a 400. Okay, that's kind of cool, framed up by 2 pine trees. Wow, that's pretty neat. Just walking, randomly saw this shot far off, 300 millimeters. F8, quarter of a second, ISO 100. 10-second timer. Because last time I shot with the telephoto a bunch, can't tell you how many times I had blurry photos from a 2-second timer. Okay, I'm gonna try to frame this a bit more though, get it just perfectly centered. Oh, actually, that's kind of cool with the extra tree. No, actually not. We will zoom in though. All right, one more focus stack here. 2 more focus stacks, excuse me. 10-second timer. This shot came out really cool. I love when you're just walking and bam, the vignette pops up. I want one of those little camera viewfinders, like the panoramic one. Those look pretty cool. Okay, one more focus stack on this front tree. So that's the background, the mid tree, 2 mid trees, and then the close tree. 10-second timer, quarter second, F8, ISO 100. There she is. Hopefully we got him. All right guys, let's head to the car, see if we can go find any other foggy areas. It's starting to lift here, but it's still foggy, but we've rinsed it a bit. Let's do it. Crazy out. Yeah, we still got some fog lingering. Where is my coffee? Beautiful. It's hot out. I'm gonna have to rip this shirt off. Let's see, got my coffee. Push that back. Oh man. All right guys, that was a pretty awesome little morning so far. I'm not complaining at all. Oh, pardon the car noise if it comes by. But it still looks like there's plenty of fog everywhere. It's just patchy, you know, like normal. It's still a thin layer. When you get in the fog, it's like you're in a hamster ball, man. And you're just wheeling, chasing it. It's like, where are you? And you get like right in it, it's hard to really see. And especially Florida, so that causes issues because we can't get very far away from things to get that separation and zoom in. So it's difficult in Florida. So it's hard to find compositions here. Like you really gotta be close or have like a clear path to your subject. It's tough. So I think we're gonna drive on, look for some more patchy spots and see what we can get, but I wish those sun rays would have broke through, but the clouds put an end to that. But I'll take a foggy morning any day, so let's go see what else we can find. If you like coffee, this is one of the best purchases you can make. Stanley thermos, the old school one, not the new stuff. All right, good stuff. Let's go see what we can get. We were driving down this forest road, saw this beautiful palm tree just like cut down, so able to exclude all the sky. Hopefully able to get a shot here. Let's see if we can get frame it up. Very pretty. Just kind of by itself in a bunch of pines. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, still got a little fog here too, so everything's soft. Oh yeah, that's kind of nice. Kind of nice. Might need to clean this off though. We got some haze. All right, there we go. All right, just got it center framed. We do have some foreground stuff creeping in. There we go. Let's get that out of the way. Might be a good square crop. We'll see. We're at 135 millimeter, 1/20th of a second, f9, ISO 100, 10-second timer. Let's get the shot. There she goes. There we go. See if it's sharp. Double check our sharpness. Oh, that's beautiful. Awesome. Very cool. I'm gonna zoom out a bit and then maybe get like a wide one. 16:9 crop. All right, beautiful. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. So that was a pretty cool shot. Kind of liked it. Real Florida vibe. Soft, but not like super foggy, but just soft. So very cool. The sun's starting to crack through. It's starting to get really bright out. Still some fog, so I think we're gonna move on, drive a little more, see what we can find. It's beautiful out today. Just such a great day. Very blessed, very blessed. All right, let's get into it, guys. So the sun's coming in and out right now. Ended up getting kind of a, not a vista, but not even a wide scene. I mean, I'm at like 175 millimeters, but there's just this gorgeous tree cutting over. And then we have a few oak trees with some remaining color on them a little bit, so popping off the green. This dead tree like hooking over. Really cool scene. And then these little weeds here, little flowers, I don't know what they are, but you know, when they catch the sunlight here in the front, really nice. So we're just waiting for the sun to come out. It's like kind of in and out here with the clouds, like partially cloudy. Beautiful morning. Easy to find shots today. Might try to go up here. All right, let's head up here and see what we can find. Hooks around here. Oof, it's a good little trail up here. I'm gonna head up to the top of this hill, see if we can shoot down into some of these oaks with the color on them. Looks good up there. How many ticks am I gonna have on me? 100. 100 ticks. Oh, there's the sun again too. Let's go catch it. Dang B-roll, slow me down. 8, huh? Ooh, that's beautiful. Take that shot quick. All right, guys, so we hiked up. All right, so we made it up to the top of this hill here. We are able to shoot down into some of these beautiful trees out here. Plenty of color, the light's shining through, breaking through these clouds every few minutes and just like lighting it up. Gorgeous, really soft, little fog here and there. Not thick, but just enough to make it like really soft and nice. Catching this light. Ooh, I need to zoom out a little bit. I'm at 135. I was cutting off the top a touch. It's hard to see with the sun right in your eye. Beautiful. All right, I'm at 1/8 of a second, f16, ISO 100, 10-second timer because the telephoto lens. There's the shot. I don't think I could have asked for better conditions. Well, I could have used some sun rays through the fog, but I'm not complaining one bit. That was an absolutely gorgeous morning. Still is, there's a little bit of haze kind of lingering, just soft shots, but the sun's getting too high. So guys, please like the video, subscribe, all that fun stuff. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.